Nessus Professional Host Discovery Scan. Nessus Professional approach security through vulnerabilities, discovery and compliance scanners. This section discuss Nessus Professional Discovery Scanner. The Discovery Scanner template available in Nessus Professional is Host Discovery that enables a simple scan to discover what hosts are on your network and associated information such as IP addresses, FQDNs, operating systems, and open ports, if available. Here are the steps to launch a Host Discovery scan. Firstly, in the My Scan page, click Create New Scan, or you can click on the New Scan button on the top right. After the scan template page appears, choose your scanner, in this case, the Host Discovery Scan template. Then, configure the scan. Name your scan, give it a description, this is optional. You can either use My Scan, the default scan folder, or choose specific folder to save the scan. Next, specify your target. For this scan, the targets supported are IPv4, IPv6, CIDR blocks, ranges or host names. And finally save your scan. Go to My Scan page. Then click the Launch Scan button to initiate scan.